Just wanted to make this intro real quick. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. This is episode 2 of the Come to Work with Me series. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoy it. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We are still on the road to 10K subscribers. Once we hit 10K on YouTube and 30K on Instagram, I will be doing a huge giveaway. So make sure you follow, share, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, okay? And also make sure you shop, okay? Get you some products. We have lots of stuff available. I'm gonna go ahead and get episode 2 started. I have to do first. So she ordered 40 lip scrubs in total, 20 chocolate and 20 birthday cake. So that's what y'all finna see me do, okay? I washed these last night and let them air dry. As y'all can see, they are dry. We will be getting rid of these jars. This is my second to last order with these jars. I'm gonna talk about that a little later though, but we will be getting rid of these jars. So yeah, I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social media accounts. Everything is down below. This is our birthday cake lip scrub. It is edible, has real sprinkles in it, and it smells just like cake batter. I was filming, but then I got a notification and it clicked off my video. So yeah, that's what happened. I'm honestly irritated, but it's okay. This is our chocolate lip scrub. Smells just like chocolate and it tastes like chocolate. So your girl is fueled up and I'm ready to work. I just ate some food, so I gotta start now. I need to clean my table off. But yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do first. This is part of her order from last night. The lip scrub order I did. She also ordered these squeeze tubes. She ordered 10 Hustler and 10 Trendsetter. So those are both of our hydrating glosses. Trendsetter is a hydrating clear gloss infused with these. And then Hustler is infused with these. They're both peppermint scented, very hydrating. Once you apply this gloss to your lips, you will feel a tingly feeling, a cool tingly feeling. Hustler has blue and purple glitters in it. It's really pretty. So what I'm gonna do on camera with y'all is fill my tubes with this, and then I'm gonna fill them off camera. next order that I have to fulfill is a 21 to wholesale order. She ordered all nude glosses, 5 Go Getter, which is this one, 5 Millionaire, 5 Billionaire, and 5 Dream Chaser. So I'm gonna do this on camera with y'all because I'm not going to film a video for my Instagram for this one. The next day now, and almost got everything done. I have how many? 4 more tubes to fill for 1 wholesale order. Then I have to do a lip scrub wholesale order and a jar, and then I just have to package everything up. But almost everything is made. So what I wanted to tell y'all about. So like I said, I'm changing the jars, and this is my fault. I had it set in my mind that I was gonna change the jars, but I didn't change anything on my site. I didn't make it sold out. I didn't take it off. I didn't change the pictures or anything. So it was still up there that I was selling the jars that y'all saw earlier in the video. So me being dumb, not really, because I was trying to get regular purchase orders, not wholesale. But I posted a picture on my Instagram of my lip scrubs. And then probably about 5-10 minutes later, I get an order, and it's a wholesale order for lip scrubs. I'm not bad about the order. Definitely not bad about the order, but I just wish I would have, took it off. I had the exact amount, 40 jars. That was gonna be my last wholesale order using those jars. So I got the order, right? So I'm like, maybe, I'm thinking in my head, maybe she probably wants the new jars. Because a lot of people have been asking if my regular purchase lip scrubs, if those jars are for wholesale also. So I'm like, she'll probably want the jars that I have. I email her, she doesn't want those jars. She wants the jars that are shown on the site. So I had to order some more. It is my fault, but I just wanted to tell y'all that. Make sure if y'all decide to change something, y'all do it right away so that no one else will be able to order until you got everything situated, because I didn't do that. And now look at me. And I had 40, I think I have like 48 of these jars ready to go. So I was like, if she says she wants these jars, then look, we can go ahead and be on the road, because I got these ready. I can go ahead and make hers up. This is the final order with these jars. Then these are out of here, and we'll be switched over to the other jars. So I'm about to do this. Y'all probably don't want to see that. I wish I could like ask y'all, but it's not live or anything, so I can't. But I'm pretty sure y'all probably don't want to see that because you already saw it. So I'm going to do this order. Oh no, actually I'm going to do the jar first because it's just 1 jar and it's simple, straight to the point. So I'm gonna do this jar order first, and then I'm gonna do lip scrubs, and then I'm gonna finish up on this wholesale filled order. Y'all know I gotta show y'all this order before I ship it out. Y'all, this is actually free, but this is my largest jar order ever. I usually get, I think my largest one before this was like 5. Bro, do y'all see this? 8 jars. 8 freaking jars, bro. When I got this order, I was so excited because I've never gotten this large of an order before. So I'm about to go ahead and package this up. I got everything wrapped up and pretty, y'all. I think V-Day packaging just might be my favorite. Like the hearts just add that pizzazz is missing. It looks so pretty. So I sent her a free 4-ounce jar, just to say thank you, because this was a huge order. And then I have this. This is my second wholesale order with my new tubes. She ordered 40 glosses, 20 of each. This is Billionaire, she didn't want a scent. And then this is Millionaire with our vanilla scent. Okay, y'all, so I know this is not my normal setup. I'm usually on the other side packaging the orders, but I moved all my boxes to that side, so it's blocking my chair, and I'm about to leave out soon, so I don't feel like moving all that and have to move it back, and I don't want to come home to a messy room. But anywho, so it's packaging time. We gotta package these orders. So this is one order by itself. She ordered 40 lip scrubs, an 8-ounce jar. This is Billionaire, and she got the scented infused with oils. And then she got, what else did she get? She got 20 squeeze suit glosses. So she got Hustler and Trendsetter. And this is, I forgot to show y'all, but this is how it came out. Dang, I really forgot to show y'all that. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and package this order. Not gonna talk, just gonna get it done. I'm on a time crunch right now. I'm ready to go. And this is her 3rd time ordering from me. We love the returning customers, okay? So grateful and thankful for you guys. That means I'm doing something good. And one thing about me, I always reuse the bubble wrap, and I got a whole thing of peanuts. I got done just in time. My phone is about to die. It's on probably 19% now. But I want to show you guys my regular orders. So these are the 3 that I got. I do have one more order that needs to go out. I'm not done with it, but I'm extremely tired. And yeah, I got stuff to do. So this is one regular order, just 2 samples. And I already weighed it and everything. Just gotta print out the shipping label. Here's the second one. So she ordered a sample, and then our V-Day gloss. It's called, what's it called? It's called Sweet Kisses. We do still have some available. Make sure you shop. It's peppermint scented clear gloss, very hydrating. And here is the last one, y'all. So she ordered these samples, and then these samples. Not a lot of people order these samples, very slept on. It's probably because I don't post about it a lot, but we do have samples for our original 5. You can find our clear gloss under our squeeze tubes is 333, but all these are available for samples. She ordered 2 of each. So I will show y'all, but my phone's about to die. I'm about to charge up. I'm about to print out the shipping labels and clean up my room a little bit. I will show y'all like once everything is put on. This is the order that I had to finish. It is now complete. got them both bubble wrapped. I just think this looks so cute. Put that in there. And then you're gonna add glosses on the side. These may be gifts, so I'm gonna just add business cards in here also, because you never know, like the person might be like, ooh, I really love this body butter, I want to get a larger size, because we will be offering our 4-ounce jars. Hopefully I'll be able to make some more this week. Well, I do have the ingredients, so yeah, I need to make some more this week, and then I'll be able to make the 4-ounce jars available. They'll be in these. I just have to make a couple more. But yeah, they may be like, ooh, I really like this gloss or the body butter or the lip scrub, and they want to purchase more. And they'll be able to because they have my business card. So, yep. Make sure you click the link in the description box and get you some products. Support your girl. We are trying to move into our own apartment. That's like one of my huge goals this year. So if you want to support, subscribe, watch my videos, watch the ads, shop, follow my Instagram, like my posts, comment, you know, for engagement. The more engagement I get, the more people will see my page, the more orders, you know? Everything goes hand in hand. Even if you don't buy anything, you can follow, like, comment, save the post. You can share it, share the video, tell your friends, you know? I know y'all know somebody want to start a business. Tell them about me. Tell them that I will hook them up, okay? We have so many colors, and I'm about to order some more pigments. So we're gonna have new colors on the way for wholesale. I'm about to release my new squeeze tube this month for wholesale. Like, come on, come on. Tell the folks about me, okay? Tell the folks about me. We're trying to move. That is the goal. I'm trying to get out of here. I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.